We're on our way to
Yosemite.
Yeah, we're on our way to Yosemite. It's been a long trip. We're on our way to Yosemite. We started in Olympia, Washington, and then headed down the coast of Oregon.
Just leaving Napa Valley.
Just leaving Napa Valley, and Napa Valley was so relaxing that I can't think clearly. Last night we were just in a mud bath, and that was wonderful, and it really was extremely relaxing. Go to Napa Valley, spend some time there. If you haven't seen those videos, check them out. But today we are headed to our very first bed and breakfast that we've ever been to. Just called them, and we're going to arrive at 12:15. They said our room is ready, so that will be nice that we'll be able to check in before we go to Yosemite. And we have another bike ride today. Yesterday we rode our bikes in Napa Valley, which was fun. You could stop at wineries along the way. And today our bike ride is to kind of get the lay of the land of what Yosemite Valley looks like. So 3 hours in the car here. We'll be at the bed and breakfast, and then after that we're gonna do a quick change and get ready to go for the bike ride for Yosemite. So we hope you're enjoying our next trail, because we're really excited for our next trail here in Yosemite Valley. Road. I think you passed the road because it said it was rerouting. So just
turn back.
No. It was hard to find a place to stay. We found a really nice place about an hour away. This is the Blackberry Inn, and here we are. This is it. Looks pretty, huh?
Sure does. No vacancy, it says.
No vacancy. We have reservations. 5-minute parking for registration.
Welcome to our house then.
Thank you.
Your room is upstairs, the Briar Rose room. I'll take you there in a moment.
Okay.
Breakfast will be served. I'm serving now because of the crowded conditions in the park. I'm serving breakfast at 6:45 while you're here.
Okay.
And that'll be out on the porch here, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go up and I'll show you your room.
Okay.
Thank you.
This loft seating area you can use as an adjunct to your bedroom, okay? It's a
Okay.
nice place to just sit and turn on the lights and read a little bit, just relax in that nice comfortable furniture. Or of course, anywhere on the porch, the rocking chairs outside. And here's your bedroom.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Okay. So, a little tour. Water is from the well. It's tested by the health department. It's good, clean, sweet drinking water. No chemicals or chlorine. Fresh baked cookies each day.
Oh, nice.
We've got-
Even though the Blackberry Inn was so inviting, we knew we needed to be on our way for the day. So after a quick refreshment, we were on our way to Yosemite Valley.
Got it.
Yeah, it's fun.
The main road that takes us down to the valley 6 months ago had a mudslide or a rock slide. When Julie was doing her research, it was closed at the time, and we were going to have to take a detour 3 hours around to get to the valley. So we're fortunate that they got this fixed within 6 months.
Yeah, it just got cleared like
Yeah, you said
last week.
You said so.
Yeah. I just wish the road to Glacier Point was open, but it's not. There's having road construction there, and they had difficulties too, so rock slides must be common in the valley. Anxious to get there. It takes a long time to get from the opening to the Yosemite floor. One lane road.
We'll see the construction again. Stop right here. Look at that,
Yeah, but there's a spot. Cade Creek. And we're not to the valley yet. We're getting close, I think.
Julie. It's way up there. Impressive so far.
Uh-huh. Just the drive.
Probably more impressive if you're not the driver.
In 1,000 feet, keep left at the fork.
Our first stop today in Yosemite is Tunnel View. Tunnel View is supposed to be the place to go when you first come to Yosemite. We should be able to see El Capitan, Half Dome, and Bridal Veil Fall. So I've heard that Yosemite is one of the most magnificent places to see in the world. So today we're going to find out if that's true. Well, obviously that must be Bridal Falls. Half Dome, I believe, is the structure that looks like it's cut in half. Do you see that? And El Capitan must be one of these over here. We would agree that coming to Tunnel View is the very first thing you should do when you visit Yosemite. It's a great way to see the grandeur of the park right from the beginning, and also you can begin to see where some of the iconic landforms are. We're going to rent a bike. It's going to cost us $60 because we're going to have to, she knows it's only going to be a half day. In your first day in Yosemite, it's recommended to rent a bike, take the bus, or walk around Yosemite Valley to get a lay of the land. You can ride your bike almost everywhere in the valley, as the sign says, except for Mirror Lake and Yosemite Falls Trail. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Hear the waterfalls.
Yeah, that's going to be cool. Oh, look up there, look up. That's amazing.
Take a right out of here.
Okay. You can take a lot of different bike routes in Yosemite Valley, but the loop trail that we took was about 10 miles with stops at Curie Village, mist trails to Mirror Lake, and a view of the lower and upper Yosemite Falls. This is Yosemite Village. As you're about to see, when you bike in Yosemite, you're definitely dealing with lots of bicyclists and lots of pedestrians. Because of that, you really can't ride too fast, and you need to be alert for all of the people who really aren't looking out for you. Bikers on your right. Oh yeah. Made it to Curry Village. Looking for the bike rental place because John's seat has fallen already. Kind of uncomfortable. These are the yurts that you can rent. There was one yurt that was available for one night. It doesn't have air conditioning.
What was that?
Going Happy Isle Trails. Julie's leading the way. She says this is where we're going to be tomorrow when we hike, I believe. Mist trails are this way.
But I don't, even if someone takes it, I don't want to be responsible for it. Let's take our helmets off. All right, should be a short walk to Mirror Lake. Okay, we're at Mirror Lake. Yeah.
After when there's not snow at the base.
Oh.
A few feet up there.
Is Hot Dome closed? Like you can't climb it right now?
No, I mean you can always go up it. I think actually they did put the cable.
The hike to Half Dome requires a special permit, and it's selected via lottery system in March every year. We hope to do this hike next time.
Half Dome, I'll win at this point.
See those people riding the bike? Well, I'm just here to tell you that you can ride your bike almost all of the way to Mirror Lake. There's a sign on this road that made us think that we followed the person in front of us, that made us think we needed to park our bikes and hike to Mirror Lake. See this sign? That made us think it was time to park our bikes because we saw everybody else parking it. But you can ride your bike down the road and save yourself a 1/4 mile hike. So do that if you're coming to Mirror Lake to ride your bike.
See that squirrel? Nope.
I see a squirrel. Right back there.
Biker on your left.
Here we try to hike clear up there.
I don't think we go all the way up.
Do you see any hikers? Okay, this is the lower falls and then the upper falls. We couldn't see it where we were from. Nice. For half a day it was $30 per person, so $60. Nice. A great way to see the valley.
From here, then we went to the falls.
You just park the bike right there.
That's good?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
The helmets just go in that great bin right there.
Yeah, good.
Appreciate it. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank
Glad y'all
you.
enjoyed.
Mountain Room Restaurant. John really wanted to stop the bike ride kind of early today, and I'm like, what's going on? And you said,
I didn't say it. You said
no,
it.
you said it's your, you said you're just like your dad. You always want to keep going.
Oh, you're like your dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, never stop. Just keep on going. I was ready to stop and get something to eat. You can only see so many rocks. I was ready.
Come
I was
on.
ready to eat.
I will. Okay. Wagyu burger. It is hard on the bottom.
There's a little spice to it. Wait,
Yeah. And the burger.
yeah, something. Got bacon. Open it up.
Pretty
There's
good.
bacon in it.
Yeah, it's got bacon. After we got some food in his belly, he was ready to talk. We're out to dinner. What are your end thoughts of the bicycle ride in Yosemite?
First, the bikes were hard to get sized correctly. That was a little irritating when you're getting ready to go. And also, I don't know if it was the time that we got started, but it was just too busy to ride a bike around to where we wanted to go. But if we didn't ride a bike and we wanted to walk to where we went, it would have been way too long.
Wouldn't have been able to see everything.
Yeah, we wouldn't
wanted
have
to
been able to
see.
get everything. So, like they always say, get here early before the crowd if you want to do anything. But we got here in the afternoon, and the biking was just too congested, too hard to get around.
It's still worth it, though. I think.
Yeah, you know, if you have a limited time, it's better than walking.
Had to try to catch the sunset here in Yosemite. Made John pull over to the side. You can see it, some beautiful layers out there. First day in Yosemite, beautiful. Yep. Our next trail, it's been a beautiful day. Until next time, let our next trail help you find your next trail.